Married couples who get divorced in Colorado are working under the Uniform Dissolution of Marriage Act, which is a comprehensive statutory scheme for dividing property, dealing with parenting rights, and it's very straightforward. People who are unmarried have a couple of complications in Colorado. First of all, Colorado is one of the few states that still recognizes common law marriage, and it's very fact-based in Colorado. So that is, the court can look at a number of factors to determine whether or not parties are in fact married, even though they've never had a formal solemnization of their marriage. People who hold themselves out as being married, people who have joint bank accounts, people who have sent Christmas cards saying, Merry Christmas from the Millers. They can find themselves in a circumstance where they're married and their divorce will be handled under the Uniform Dissolution of Marriage Act, even if they never intended a marriage to exist. On the other hand, you have unmarried partners who never want to get married, never did get married, bought a house together, and suddenly they are splitting up, and they don't have the protections of the Uniform Dissolution of Marriage Act. Instead, they're under a series of common law theories and philosophies that will govern the division of their estate. They may have to proceed with a partition action in order to divide their real property. They may have to prove out their contributions for other property. Oftentimes, there might be property that's titled in one party's name that both have contributed to, or one party might have debt on a property and the other party has a claim on title. If there's jointly titled real property, it definitely has to go to a partition action. Sometimes claims such as unjust enrichment, that is, I contributed to this property that is in your separate name, and I would like to receive those monies back, can be very helpful in dividing that property. But basically, we are seeing less and less unmarried partner litigation since the change in law in Colorado, allowing same-sex partners to get married. But we still do have some people who they're not willing to commit to a lifetime of marriage, but they are willing to commit to a 30-year mortgage. And for those people, I strongly recommend that they sign a cohabitation agreement that will sort out all those issues in advance so they won't have to proceed with common law arguments.